Hello everyone. In the previous lecture we have seen index number. What is index number? Index number means difference of previous year and difference of price of previous year and current year. We convert that difference into the percentage, that is called as index number. For the calculation of index number we require base year and current year. So to select base year is very important for the calculation of index number. There are two methods for the selection of base year: fixed base method and chain base method. Fixed base method means every year base year remains same for the other years, and chain base method means base year gets changed every year. So now let us take a sum. Exercise 1.1 of textbook. Sum number first. Find the index number by fixed base method, chain base method, and third one is find the base method, fixed base method by taking average of 2011 and 2013 for the base year. Now this is the sum. This sum is given in the textbook. Year from 2018 to 2015. Average daily wages 275 to 84, 29 to 93 to 97, 313, 328, 345. Now according to the sum, first of all we have to calculate index number by fixed base method. So I have prepared one more column for fixed base index number, FBI. Formula of index number is P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100. P1 means current year. P0 means base year multiplied by 100. Now first of all we select base year. So years and daily wages that are written. Now let us calculate fixed base index number. Formula is P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100. P1 means current year, P0 means base year multiplied by 100. Now here we assume base year as 275 rupees. Now why we select this as base year? Because इसके आगे तो और कुछ है नहीं, इसलिए हम यही assume करेंगे. Now let us start. So fixed base, for the fixed base 275, that is base year. मतलब हर एक कैलकुलेशन में हम 275 रुपीज़ एज बेस ईयर लेंगे. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट 275 अपॉन 275 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 तो इक्वल्स टू 100. फिक्स्ड बेस में ऑलवेज फर्स्ट इंडेक्स नंबर कम्स 100 ओनली. वाई? बिकॉज करंट ईयर एंड बेस ईयर बोथ रिमेन्स सेम. नाउ नेक्स्ट 2009. In the 2009 current year, that is 284, base year 275 multiplied by 100 so comes 203.27. Third year current year 289, base year 275 multiplied by 100 comes 105.09. Then next 293 upon 275 multiplied by 100 comes 106.55. Next 297 upon 275 multiplied by 100 is equals to 108. 313 to 75 multiplied by 100 comes 113.82. 328 upon 275 multiplied by 100 comes 119.27. And 345 upon 275 multiplied by 100 comes 125.45. So in this way we can calculate fixed base index number. Now let us calculate CBI and that means chain base index number. Formula remains same, P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100. Now let us calculate chain base index number. Formula remains the same, that is P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100. First year. P1 means current year, P0 means base year multiplied by 100. Now chain base index number means every year fixed base gets changed. Means for the first year 275 that is current year, 275 that is base year. इसके आगे तो कुछ है नहीं, इसलिए यही करंट ईयर यही बेस ईयर. तो 275 अपॉन 275 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 कम्स 100. ना अभी ये साल के लिए क्या, तो 284 that is current year. प्रीवियस ईयर दैट इज बेस ईयर, तो इसका ये इसके लिए ये बेस ईयर, तो 284 अपॉन 275 multiplied by 100 comes 103.27. For the change base index number previous year becomes the base year. अभी इसके लिए 289, this is the current year, then previous year becomes base year, तो 284 that is base year, तो 284 upon 275 multiplied by 100 is equals to 101.76. then ये for the 2030 ये करंट ईयर, फिर इसका ये बेस ईयर, तो 293 अपॉन 289 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 कम्स 101.38. अभी इसके लिए 297, इसका जो बेस ईयर होगा ये प्रीवियस ईयर, तो इस ये 101.37. फिर और 313 बेस ईयर 297 दैट इज़ बेस ईयर, तो 313 upon 297 multiplied by 100 comes 105.39. Then for 321 ये base year and for 345 ये base year. So this is how we can calculate chain base index number. Now the third point, that is now the third question in the sum number 1, question number 3, that is fixed base method by taking average of 2011 and 2013 for base year. मीन्स कैलकुलेशन तो करना है फिक्स्ड बेस से ही, बट बेस ईयर सिलेक्ट करना है 2011 एंड 2013, ये दोनों ईयर मीन्स 293 एंड 313 का एवरेज, मीन्स 293 प्लस 313 प्लस 297, 2011 टू 2013 सम में दिया है 2011 टू 2013, तो 2011, 12 एंड 13 ये तीन ईयर का एवरेज 293, 297 एंड 313 का एवरेज, दैट इज आवर बेस ईयर. नाउ लेट अस कैलकुलेट दैट. ओके, नाउ सी फर्स्ट ईयर 275 बेस ईयर मीन्स एवरेज जो लिया है 2011 टू 2013, उसका जो एवरेज है वही बेस ईयर रहेगा, तो 275 upon 301 multiplied by 100 comes 91.36. Then next 284 upon 301 multiplied by 100 comes 94.35. Then 289 upon 301 multiplied by 100, 293 upon 301 multiplied by 100, 297 upon 301 multiplied by 100 comes 98.67. 313 upon 301 multiplied by 100, 328 upon 301 multiplied by 100 and 345 upon 301 multiplied by 100. So whenever in the sum it is given that take the average of some year, so we have to calculate average of that years, and that average value we take as base year. Okay, I hope you have understand this sum, calculation of fixed base method, chain base method and average of fixed base method.